Okay, we got this started. This is a series little mini bike. We're here at this new section of Trunk Road. She's going to do a little demonstration ride and get used to it. All right, are you ready to ride with this thing?
Yes, I am.
You got the whole road to yourself. All right. All right, now let me get around here and get a good shot of you.
Here I go.
Are you ready? Yeah, this little critter was made out of a bicycle frame. It's got a 5.5 horsepower motor on it. I've had the bicycle for about 25 years. It was little Johnson's bicycle, actually. And here's a lib passing on a bicycle. Spandex and helmet. Okay, don't worry about them. Maybe she'll run over him. Okay, here she comes. She's coming back now. She's coming back. Let me move out of the street. That was a good pass. Looks like it's riding pretty good. So let's see how she does now on the way back. Shooting into the sun. Let's see if we get this. Okay, here she comes. It looks like she's having fun. Uh-huh. Yeah, she turns it around one more time and we're gonna make another pass. See if I can get this pretty good here. I'll shoot with this little camera phone. Okay. Very good. She's pulling into a stop. All right. Very good.
Wow.
How's it riding?
Little sucker hauls fun. This little thing goes fast. It's so cool.
Yeah, I'm guessing you're running about 45, maybe 50 at the tops. Yeah, let's see. Let me get a good shot of it.
Hey.
Sounds good. Rev it just a little bit.
Go one more time.
All right, you gonna do it one more time? All right, here you go. Yeah, she's still a little timid, but that's okay. She's getting used to it, and then she'll crank it on. Yeah, it seems a little squirrely at first because it's got the small tires on, but that's the way we rode it when we were kids. Make it yourself. All right. All right. Well, I'll get a close shot up over you here. Okay, you can reach down and kill it.
Hey, you want to try?
All right. Well, let's see. We'll put the kickstand down and you just keep filming, and I'll try it.
Hey.
All right, put the kickstand down. All right. Well, I'll give you the camera, and I'll go down one time, and let's see what happens here.
All right.
Okay.
Look it up.
All right.
And here goes Johnson. He's gonna give me your cap.
Oh, you got half there. I'll pull that off.
All right. Here goes Johnson on the homemade mini bike.
All right, you ready?
Ready? Let's go. There he goes. This is a new trunk road. They'll probably open it up, hopefully, before winter comes. It's going to be a really nice road. We're trying the new little mini bike out on this road to see how good it runs, and it is running really awesome. And here comes Johnson. He's going to probably really give it the gas. Oh man, he went hauling. I can't even see. There he goes. Whoa. He's going faster than me. I'm not yet used to it yet. I want to take it easy. I don't want to be killing myself on that thing. It's fun, but I do not want to kill myself on it. And here he comes. Here he comes. I think I'm going into the sun, so I'm really not sure if I'm getting in that well. And there he goes. Whoa! Yo. That's a nice little mini bike he built. He built one when he was a kid. I think he said 10 or 13 years old, something like that. About 14 years old, I'm not sure. And there he comes. And there he comes. That is so cool. Yep, you're going about 55? All right. Yeah, I'm not going that fast on it. Just Johnson. He's going about 55 on that little sucker, not me.